Hi. Kadiri. Supersonic Plematic naman ng game. Nastiana. Hello, it's me, Ashi Bihati. How are you? Hello. Hello. Linis tayo ng lashes. I'm gonna be performing tonight at Poblacion. Yes. Ang aga ko nag-makeup, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero kasi malamig naman dito sa room. Pero, yes. Ashi Behati live in Poblacion. Hi. It's me, Ashi Behati. Ayan, kung maganda tong lashes na to. Siya nga. Yan siya. Parang siya ang winner natin for tonight. Alright, queen. Give it to me, queen. Hi guys, it's me, Ashi Behati. And for today's video, I am Ashi Behati. Saan po kayo banda sa Poblacion? What do you mean? I don't know if I'm shadow banned, but I actually shared the poster. But my show tonight will be at Apoteca with Divas Kabaklaan. It's Kylie Minogue night. Yeah. So now I'm just cleaning my lashes, so I look good. Gouda cheese. Or at least yung first part man lang. So now, we, yeah. So now we curl our lashes and hope for the best. Right. Period. We curl our lashes and we go to town. Downtown. Los Angeles. Chigli Caliente, tinawag na homeless from downtown Los Angeles. Ni Kat Tesalia, the winner ng Drag Race Philippines. Homeless from downtown LA. Wigs by Wax. Hi, Ayana. I miss... Guys, follow nyo si Ayana. I miss her so much. Pero uwi naman na Pilipinas. So, parang dead ma lang din. Pero love na love ko yan. Super! Oh, ayun na. Grabe na talaga siya. Si Ayana siya. Hindi ako Latina today, gaga. Pilipino ako. Masama yun. Kasi, why would we let other people come to our country and tell us what to do under our sovereignty? Right? Period. Okay, let's curl our lashes from, my curler is from, gusto nyo nagpapakita ko sa inyo ng makeup pero black and white. Tapos ang gulo-gulo ng filter. Ashi Behati. Like the poem said by the lady in red, I live it new place that I like. Abracadabra, abra urara, abracadabra, ara urara. Abracadabra, abra, ula. And upon she said, perform ka niyan or ganda-ganda. May show ako later, te. Mamaya pang 11 yung salang ko. Pero ang fantasy ko right now is to what? Be in drag, be early, and be fucking chill. Alam mo naman ako, napakaaga ko naman talaga mag-prepare. Pero today is mas extra aga. What times? Kung 6:06, nagte-tech run pa lang sila doon ngayon. Doon sa Apoteco. EGOP. EGOP is, yun yung tawag sa'yo pag, ang EGOP, ibig sabihin nun, yung pag meron ka ng Grammys, meron ka ng Tonys, meron ka ng, yung lahat ng award nasa iyo na, EGOP awardee. Hindi lahat ng tao may ganun, guys. And upon she said, "Death or love tonight." Hi, ma. Ang dami nagko-comment ng hi, ma, no? Di pa naman ako nanganganak. Like, mystery siya sa akin, guys, ha? It's so mystery. Manang may mga tao, hindi pa ako nanganganak, eh. Where'd you come from? Iba pa. Yes. And upon she said, saka magpo-perform sa hardin ng bahay nyo. Saan ka mamaya, nak? May show ako sa sa Apoteca tonight under Divas Kabaklaan. At magpa-party. Pero baka dumaan ako ng Bliss kasi anniversary ng Bliss. So, kailangan natin ng Sasali ka ba sa Slation Royale? Yes, kasali po ako. Spoiler alert. That's the reason kung ba't nag-iba yung makeup ko. Kaya ako nagpapayat actually kasi gusto ko talaga makasali dyan sa show na yan eh. Lahat ng ginagawa ko ngayon para lang makasali sa All Stars. Kasi wala na akong passion sa art ko. Charot lang, guys. In a palm she said, "Death or love tonight." Abracadabra. Kadabra. But yes, lately, neck mo. Tang ina mo, Diamond. Diamond B. I-reveal ko na ba yung tsura ng makeup ko? Ayan, reveal. Pakita ko na ba? I'm so shy. Hi! Ayan, gato pitsura ko. Gato pitsura ng isang OV count right now. No contour, no makeup, just blush. Nosferatu. Ang dami nagsasalita na OV, yes. 85,000 OV counts. Natural beauty. Andito ako ngayon actually, guys, sa loob ng isang conference room Shout out po OV. Shut the fuck up, FKA Josh. Ayan yung shout out mo, baby. I'll see you later, girl. Miss Girl. What am I gonna say? Andito po ako actually sa isang conference room sa nasa conference room ako dito somewhere sa wag na nga, hindi ko ma-set up yung joke ng maayos. Nakaka-edita lang. Hindi na natapos. Yung isang mata, wala pa ring And the palm she said, guys, anong gagawin nyo na napakaaga ko nag-makeup? Death or love tonight. Hi from Australia. Hi, Australia. I'm Philippines. Yes. Ito yung costume ko, guys, later. Parang kami lang nila Jorisa, palaging maaga. Maaga ba kayo lagi? Gray contacts na talaga siya. Rip white contacts. Bitch, I'm still white contacts, girl. Hindi pa rin po ako maalis sa white contacts era. I'm just like getting bored and wanted to explore. Good morning. Kaka ako yung nag-ano. I have a very specific way of applying my mascara. In a hundred Parang gusto ko maglagay ng bottom lashes today. White contacts straight from the pressures of Hollywood, Los Angeles, California. Ate. Guys, so ito na nga. Ito na nga yung chika. Ito yung chika, hehe. Parang gusto ko mag-bottom lashes today para drag. Drag queen. Ito ang bottom lashes ko, guys. Let's check it out. If it looks cute, baby girls. But here's the problem, though. I don't have my fucking scissors with me. In a touch to say that a lot tonight. Ito na yung problema oh. Kaya sana ako nagpapakuha yung lashes. At hindi siya napuputol sa sobrang mumurahin niya. Bakla, cooperate. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung bagay siya. Paul Unating. Parang binibilog niya yung mata ko. No, it's a no for me, baby girl. Baby girl, parang hindi siya carry, baby girl. Guys, diba, hindi bagay yung bottom lashes. Malambot ba siya? No, let's put on the top lashes first, no? And then let's decide if we're gonna be putting on the bottom lashes. Because, you know, the top lashes is actually, di na siya pataray. Gusto mo bang pataray ako? Ay, ang laki na tingnan ng noo ko sa wig na to. Pero guys, to be honest with you, the bigger the forehead, the more feminine it looks actually. To be honest with you lang ha, that's my personal opinion lang to ha. I don't know how you define femininity, but for me, big foreheads equals beauty. That's very ancient time. How very historical of me, no? It's very referential to that thing. Lace who? Exactly, Miss Girl. Diba? It's very referential. During the era of the... Ano ba yung era yun? Basta, in a specific time, in a specific historical timeline, it was so, it was considered as beautiful if your forehead is big. More feminine, it's more divine. Parang lyrics lang yun yung divine intervention, but it's okay. Carry lang naman yun. Ayun. So, ayan, nakita nyo naman yun last, like, a week ago. Is that a week ago already? Or, like, last Thursday? Yeah, last Thursday. The girls saw each other already. To the first... Hala nyo, hindi ako Elizabethan nak. Yes. So, ayun na nga. To the person who posted that Reddit post, nakala nyo hindi nakakarating sa akin yung mga ganyang Reddit post, guys. kakarating po siya, may nag-report po sa akin. Debunked. Right. In a time she said that all love tonight. Abracadabra, abracadabra. Abracadabra, abracadabra. Feel the beat, this is on fire. Abracadabra, abracadabra. Ganda ng mug. Wala talagang mug dito, te. Si Jamba to, ang pinakamaligalig na kabiten niyang meet and greeter. Nawala na ata sa Pilipinas. Sa last time na nag-stock ako ng mga faninis. Na parang wala na ata siya sa Philippines. So mga langit na kawawa naman, namatay na siya. Ay, may pumasok na Alex M. Lascano. Holy shit. Kamukha niya si Billie Eilish, no? Who ended it in all the enjoyment. Hey Billy, you there? Hey Billy, you there? You wanna guess the color of my underwear? You wanna guess the color of my underwear? How about you shut the fuck up, you fucking motherfucking bitch? Shut your fucking mouth. Shut your fucking mouth. Shut the fuck up. Parang wala akong dito. Kailangan ko na magpa-cheeks. Ayun o. Nakikita nyo ba yun? Parang ang liwanag ng ganito ko. Pero wala akong cheeks. I need to carve this out. I have to make a choice. Go ahead. Make your choice. Gagamit tayo ng cool tone na brown para hindi masyadong ma-OA. Ayan. Cool tone na brown na very, very light lang. Donatella Versace. Kailangan natin siyang i-carve out to the cheekbone. Shut your fucking mouth. You motherfucking bitch. Ago, lalo na shadow ban. Yes, God. If you ain't shadow ban, mama. Bakala yung chicks ko papunta ng Pyong. Ayan, looks better. Parang konti na lang din papunta na siyang Pyong, guys. Parang yung mga, lumang bakla, ang lalaki ng cheekbones. But the fucking blush though, you fucking bitch. The blush from Patrick Star, mama, is so good, mama. Yes, God, mama. Love it, papuntang Vicky Bello. Shut the fuck up, you fucking bitch. Ang pangarap ko sa buhay ay maging aggressive. Parang gusto ko siyang mas orangey kasi I look so tan, no? Guys, sometimes you have to change your your blush last minute Kasi I look tanner today compared so Latina according to the kids. Yeah. So we changed the blush. Parang hindi bagay itong baby pink. Tigilan ko na itong fantasy ko na ate. There you fucking go. You see it? You don't see it kasi there's filter Pero atras natin na onti yung wig kasi hindi nalalagyan. You see that, guys? There's so much big difference no? When you change the blush. The blush. Rose Young Chips. Baba natin ulit yung ka-OA yung reaction OA. Damn. Mga baklang ginagawa ng mga bading. Nakaglue ang wig. Hindi pa ate. Kaya, girl, what hairline daw, mama? Who you trying to fucking fight, bitch? Lagyan natin dito sa side na to. Yes, no more baby girl blush. Let's go back to the orange. Tapos, alam ko na yung gagawin ko. Kukuha tayo ng white from the palette of the different eyeshadows. Give me a second. Ayun o, kita niyo, you see the effect. Natuyo na lang talaga yung lashes ko, kakakadaldal, motherfucker. So what I do, guys, this is a trick for the girls, ha? For the girls who wanted to do drag, I'm gonna teach you how to do the lashes. You bend it a little, no? But it depends on your eye shape, to be honest with you. I bend my lashes because I don't like the feeling that it's making tusok the eyes. And then that's how you put on the lashes, no? Pataas. Pero parang pababa siya dapat sa first part. Nakadikit siya dapat sa lash line dito sa first part. So I squeeze it together. Lady Vine. Tila bagay pangalan ng drag daughter ni Venus. Lady Vine. Sino nagsasabing hindi ako maganda? Putang inang yan. Lashes pa lang yan. Wala pang lips yan, ha? Putang inang kagandahan yan, te. Hayop na lang sa ganda. Ba yan? Oh. Sobrang monkey. Anong sobrang monkey? Sampalin kaya kita. Sabi mong sobrang monkey ako. Unggoyin. Hindi ako unggoyin, ha? Bobo. Hindi mo na magbasa. Anyway. I love your contacts, me. Bili ka 85 pesos ng isa. Kasi binibenta ko siya, Ovigan merch, contact lens, not FDA approved. Kawawa naman. Pero parang kailangan ko maglagay ng maliit na lashes dito sa baba, sa lash line. Para lang dyslexia is sexy. Bakit po ba ako, ba yan? Tayo son, balita ko ay may asawa na. Ba't mo ako minamanyak ng ina ka? Kasi na poly relationship? Polyamory. Bagong combination ng mga drag queens at mga magjowa. Let's band it. Ayan na, oo. Meron na siyang kulangot, basically. Hit the road! I-unfollow. Guys, sinan nyo, Baby drag queens be like, Mama, I'm so fierce. Somebody take a screenshot. Sino gusto makakita ng account na iba-block? Oh, ang tagal nung Girl, I don't have to do that shit to save my fucking career. I don't have to. Mama! Kakadaldal ko, natuyo na lang talaga yung lash glue. Who wants to see me block somebody? Here's a chance. Press 1. Hit the road to the angels at the doctor. Shut him back. Let's shut him back. Hear the feeling. Feel the passion. Inside. For me, cause hurt me to the game of life. And the pouring sand, like a pouring sand, and any rush one shot of our life. Like the pouring sand and the sun and the sand, and any nights and light of our life. Abracadabra, abracadabra. Who wants to get blocked? Yun yung giveaways ko, guys, this year. What's your giveaways this year? Mamimigay ako ng libreng block. Kahit mabait ka pa sa akin. I don't care. What if i-block ko sila Zymon for fancies? Tapos 1 week kang naman, tapos i-unblock ko rin naman kayo. Is that okay? Carry lang ba yun? Ha? It would be fun though, not seeing your comments for a week. Neil! Where's the eyeliner, Neil? The first and the lady in red, and you can't see what I like. Like the first and the lady in red. Ayan. Yung iba-block natin is yung account na nakalagay is Miguel Cesar dahil sa comment niya kanina. I will give you 30 seconds bilang ako ang ICC to say kung bakit hindi kita iba-block. Ipipin natin yung comment mo na nairita ako para mapahiya ka. Pin. Okay, I will give you 30 seconds to explain yourself. 1. Bago matuyo tong lashes na to, dapat kailangan makapag-explain ka na. 2. Sa tingin mo, anong part ng comment may matutuwa ako? 3. 4, 5. How low can you go? 6. I'm not gonna stop. 7. O, nasaan ka ngayon? Papansin ka. How is this comment funny? Do you really think I'm just here for the drama and not for the if ever? Also, speak up, queen. I'm giving you the dance floor, queen. Sabi nga ni Lady Gaga, category is speak up or die. Bitch, speak up, mama. Tanggalin natin yung filter para makita niyo yung totoong ganda. Like the phone said by the lady in red. O, patapos na yung 30 seconds, wala na. Mga comment na hindi nakakatuwa. Guys, at this fucking point, dapat alam nyo na hindi ako natutuwa sa gantong comment. And let me explain you why. To the 13 people na nandito. During my season, During my season, eto na ha. Eto, sabihin ko na sa inyo. During my season, I could have banked on the fucking issues, the fights, and be like talking about it online and bringing in the drama even after the show. But I chose not to. And here's why. I find it really tacky when people do that. I'm sorry. I'm gonna shine and be fucking fierce because I am talented and I'm fucking fierce, okay? And not because I was in a fight or I was arguing with somebody. That's not how my career will go, to tell you honestly. That's the last thing that I wanna be. Just a fucking like somebody who's fighting or whatever. That's tacky. I find it really tacky when people do that. I don't know. So like comments like this, if you guys expecting me and like telling shit online na parang you should be on what they call this, you should be on All Stars because you're gonna bring in the drama. Bitch, no, I never brought the drama in. I was just being myself. I was being 100% how to call this, 100% authentically myself. Didn't do any fucking fights or whatever fucking bullshit you guys thought that I was doing fakely. I was never fake. Yeah, I'm not explaining myself to you and I don't care. But I'm gonna be on a show I'm gonna be on a fucking show because I'm fucking talented and that's the only reason why I'm gonna be there. Not because I'm gonna be the drama, not gonna be because I'm gonna be fighting with whoever fucking talent, whoever fucking queen. You know what I mean? So hopefully like, kasi nakaka-degrade siya to be honest, sa parang ay hala, y'all want me back on TV because of the drama and not because of my fucking talent. That's kinda hurtful, to be honest with you. I don't think that's correct. I don't think that's the right headspace, mama. Right? So, that's why I'm not really into comments like this. Yung mga ganyang Verushka. Leave her the fuck alone. Let her fucking do her thing. That happened how many years ago? I'm at this point, I'm fucking over this. Sa totoong buhay lang, tama ka, clear na. Hindi na para magtibi-tibihan. Right? Get a fucking life. Get a fucking life. Drag Race isn't fucking drama all the time. Well, it's a reality TV show, correct. But it's a showcase of fucking talent. Guys, bakit ang ganda ko? No. Hindi pa kayo nagtataka na parang umo-A na yung ganda ko. Tapos, kaka-follow niya lang sa akin. Cloud chaser ka rin eh. Oh. Cloud chaser ka rin eh. Papansin ka rin eh, no? Ba't ang ganda ko? Well, it's just fucking life, baby girl. Like, when life gives you opportunities to be like this gorgeous, no? Ewan ko na lang talaga if you're not gonna, known fact na talaga eh, no? It's like, it's the real tea eh. It's the truth. Na parang, holy shit, oh he can? Damn. Yeah. Bagay ba na may lower lashes? Mga backhanded the compliment, out of this world yung gorgeous na sa totoong buhay lang. Eme lang ha. Sobrang sensitive. Sumobra sa sensitive. Before I sleep, lagi ko inisip, ba't sobrang ganda ni Ovi? Ka na na. Nak, hindi kita bibigyan ng libreng merch na. Tandaan mo yan na. Niyan na. Like the onset. Ka na nak. Sobra na yan na. Hindi na kapani-paniwala. It works kahit wala sa bottom. What do you mean wala sa bottom? Did you just call me a fucking bottom? Anong sayang? Sayang. Ngayon lang tayo nagkatagpo. Hindi pa ako nag-aano guys, nagtutoothbrush. Bottom eyelid, girl. What am I, fucking reptile with a bottom eyelid? Who the hell? Sorry, Queen, if nag-appear na offensive. Guys, I'm not that fucking sensitive, okay? Just with like comments like that, I don't fuck with that very showbiz headspace. That's not, I don't fuck with that, sorry. Ginawa kang iguana ma. Yes, bottom eyelids. Gawa ganun yung mata ate. Ang hirap mag-eyeshadow. Nilalaro lang kayo. Guys, yes. Halatang mga bagong lang kayo, follow kayo lang sa akin ha. Nahahalata na ka. Nak. Huwag ganun nak. Magnunud tayo. Nude lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Expired 2 years ago. But of course, we're gonna use it still because we're what? Disgusting. Halata kayo na. Ate, we're not gonna be shaming the people na halata, okay? We open our hearts to all types of gay people. Kaya wag mo i-shame yung wag mo i-shame yung mga mga halata. That's bad, sister. Nak, masama yun, nak. Wag mong i-shame yung mga halata. Claire, ano ba yung hindi yan behavior ate. The way I just have a really special relationship with a couple of people who would just understand my fucking fuckery is so beyond stupid. So now, si Claire din naman halata. Mama! Ano bang soji ni Claire? Not to out her, ha? Not to forcefully out her, no? What is happening? Bullying the fans. Ayun yung nangyayari. Making them scared of me for no fucking reason. Ayan, yung very 2000s lang na parang na. Ano ba yan? Very 2000s lang na parang bake siya. Nag-bake siya ng under eye. No, gumamit siya ng pink undertone na na eyeshadow, na foundation. Gumamit talaga siya ng white na pink, para po liwanag sa ilalim. No? Confusing siya. Oh, may natutunan na naman kayong technique sa akin. Ay, wait daw pala, di ba? Di ba, Simon? Ganyan yung ginagawa mo, te. Pinangungunahan mo yung mga tao-tao. If you a long time Overcon fucking fan, you know that getting bullied 24/7. Mama, get fucked. Bawal pikon. Pikon talo. Ang puti ng under eye! Ang saya. Merong bagong meme ngayon na lumalabas, diba? Yung tungkol sa napakaliwanag nung Sino nga ba yon ulit? Who is they? You won't last in the asylum we were raised in. Exactly, mama. Girl, you can't even fucking deal with the fucking bullshit that I have to go through because of this motherfucking fucking collective as bitch. The AAVE. Should I go, bro? It's the AAVE for me. You know what? Fuck this. AAVE or nothing. See you later, girly pa. Girl, y'all wouldn't fucking even fucking survive the entrance. It's the AAVE for me out of nowhere, mama. The Choco Brown Diva. Shut the fuck up, Simon, bitch. The moment you fucking tell me that I'm the Choco Brown fucking diva, girl, maybe you should try you should try fucking using the Choco Brown the next time you try doing my makeup so it looks fucking better. Sister. Malinis. Gawa sa sabon. Ayun lang, nagsisimula na ang sipon na tumutulo. Malinis, matibay, gawa sa baso. Mga bagay na nakakatawa. Ang ganda-ganda mo, mukha ka talagang parang biological na babae. Tila bagay ikay biological. Haba ng buhok sa ilong, no? Shit. Ovicant, may issue sa mga mahaba ang buhok sa ilong. Tara na tayo i-cancel siya. Mabango, yes, mabango po ako. I was proven and proven and tested na kung mabango ako. I'll never deny that fact that people still tell me that I smell so fucking good, so expensive, so rich. Tila bagay ang tanong sa akin ng mga tao pag meeting greets, ang bango-bango mo, what's your perfume? Even online, no? Even online. Kumakapit yung amoy sa damit, amoy kulob. Baho. Kulob, nak. Bilad mo muna sa araw yung costume. Baho. Shit. Tawag yun. Would Ovi be interested in doing stage acting? Just curious. Nakita mo yung kanina? Yan yung audition ko, nak. Di ba natural? Sino yung nagsasabing hindi ako actor? Actor Di Mayo, puking ina nyo. Ba? Congratulations, my dear. You are all up for elimination. Now, sashay away. Asa na ba yung movie nyo? Yung movie ko ay kinain na ng lupa. Hindi ko na rin alam. Tanongin nyo kay Direct Fifth Solomon na proudly creative director ng Drag Race Philippines Slation Battle Royale. Right? Holy shit, my fucking foundation. Right? Tanong natin sa kanya. What happened was, why do I look so fucking pretty? Like, holy shit, I look so gorge. Like, but, yeah. Blaisha. Claire, that's inside the house. Inside the house lang yan na joke. That hindi siya pwede for outside, baby girl. Hindi pwede. Mga ganyan joke natin, no? Sali ka doon, naman. Sali ako sa, Drag Dan All-Stars. You're the perfect example of Crazy Rich Asian. Whoa! Wow! Wow ni! Wow ni di! Wow ni di ay! Whoa! Wow! Wayaw ni di. Melo. Naka-makeup na ako agad, te. Ang aga-oga ko nag-makeup. OA ko lang. Hindi nga sila na rin. Yung wala silang all-star. Wow, lipatan na ng channel yan, sister. O, paunahan na kayo. Yun yung tugtog nila ate ng mga drag den girls right now. Lipatan na ng channel, te. Diba? Huwag mo akong sinisigawan. Alam kong gabi na. Wow! Wayaw ni di. Shit, ayan na. Na-LSS ako. Wayaw ni di. Wayaw ni di ay. Naabuso ko na naman ang puting powder. Ovican, nag-aabuso ng kulay puting powder. ICC, nahiya sa kanya. Shit, sumali si Ovican. Shhh. Kaninong account niya? Sino si Ovican? Shhh. Diba? Mag-tutorial ka naman dito kung paano mag-talk. Sige. Pag nilabas ko yung nota ko dito at pinakulong kita, anong gagawin mo? Shhh. Huwag niyong i-comment. Bobo kayo. Alam nyo na. Who is Ovican? Tanga-tanga nyo. Tanga. Hina. Parang ganda ko, te. Parang shit. Parang gagawa ko ng mga TikTok, guys. So, paalam na muna. Gagawa tayo ng mga TikTok para parang ang puti ng highlights ko. Parang all. The gatekeeping diva of Etivac, yes. Anong mga magagandang gawing TikTok bago ako umalis? Di ba? Maganda siya. Mag-cloud chasing na siya ulit. Sino? Sino magka-cloud chase? Sino naman yan, nak? Ba't kailangan ko ng cloud chasing? At ba't kailangan ko ng cloud? Parang yung demonyo yung may-ari ng account na OVCon. What do you mean? O go, paalam na muna. Pero hello, Miss Wang. O go, bye-bye na. Kailangan ganun magbabay.